Hey creators, ever spent hours shooting an ad only to realize later that the outfit just doesn't fit the vibe of your product or brand? Or worse, had to redo the whole shoot because of one wardrobe mishap? Yeah, we've all been there, but what if I told you there's a smarter way to fix that without reshooting a single frame? Enter Huggingface Cloth Change. Let's talk about how to nail your Adshoot vibes without burning out your budget. So here's what went down. I was working on a skincare ad, and halfway through editing, I realized the model's clothes were too bold for the minimalist brand tone. Instead of reshooting, I used Huggingface's cloth change model. It literally let me switch outfits digitally, just like that. Saved time, money, and guess what? The client loved the clean aesthetic. Here's how to make the most of it. Number 1, choose neutral backgrounds during your shoot. Number 2, make sure the pose and lighting are consistent. Number 3, upload a high-res frame into Huggingface's tool. Number 4, test 2 to 3 outfit swaps and choose what fits the brand vibe. Pro tip nobody tells you: add subtle texture or branding to the new clothes, like a small logo or color accent. It blends better and feels less. Trust me, the difference is huge. Honestly, tools like this changed how I think about ad content. I'm no longer stuck with what I shot. I get to elevate it. If you're a creator, marketer, or just a curious tech nerd, hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. We're diving deep into the creative tech world every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment if you've tried AI cloth change, or if you're ready to. Let's vibe smarter. Catch you in the next one.